Okay, we're doing an example from 6.3, and we have adult IQ scores, and that they have a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. And we want to find the probability that a randomly selected adult has an IQ between 90 and 110. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this in the table. You can see if you do want to use the table, you can click straight from it from here. I've got it drawn up separately so I can write in it. And if you're going to use this on test or quiz, I do recommend you print it off. It is easier and faster to use that way, and you can circle things as necessary, and it just makes it, I think, a little simpler to use. Now, the first thing we need to do is convert to z-score. So right now we have 90 and 110, but we need to convert to the standard z-score formula. If you look at the formula sheet, you'll see that that is right here. And you can see we've got both the version that would use sample data as well as population data. So now looking at ours, you can see I've got this here, and I need to convert 90 and 110. So I'm going to do 90 first. So 90 minus 100, that's our mean we were given, divided by 15. So I'm going to bring up my calculator here. So I've got negative 10 in the top, negative 10. And it does not happy with me because it wants me to use its little signs here. Where's the negative sign? There we go. Negative 10 divided by 15. So negative 0.67. So this is negative 0.67. And so what I'm doing is I've drawn my picture here, and I'm looking for this area in between. And I'm going to first write in the actual z-scores I need. Okay. Then I also need 110. So 110 minus 100 divided by 15. And now this is also going to be 10 divided by 15, so hopefully you can see this is going to be positive 0.67. Now, my next step here is to look up these two areas. But you might realize this. If I look up this value, it's going to give me all the way going this way. This area is going to give me all the way going this way. So to find this middle area, I'm going to have to subtract these two values. So let's bring this up and look up both of these. So I'm going to look up negative 0.67 first because I'm in the negatives. So there's negative 0.6, and then I need the 7. So right there, and trace this line down here. So here, 0.2541. So I'm going to go back here, and this area here is 2514. Okay, so you can see that's that area, and now I'm going to find this whole area here. So I'm going to look up 0.67, so I'm going to go down to the next page. There's 0.6, there's 0.7, come where they come together, and 0.7486. So this whole area here to here is this, 0.7486. So to find this, I'm going to do 0.7486 minus 0.2514. So I'm just subtracting these two to get that middle area I want. So 0.7486 minus 0.2514, 4972. So let's go back to our homework and let's put that in. 0.4972 and check the answer. So you can see the first step here is converting to standard z-scores, and then once there, you look up your values in the table, bring them back, do any subtraction or addition necessary. That's why the picture is so important. It's going to tell you if you need to subtract and what you need to subtract, or if you just simply have the answer.